Hello everyone, this is Nagarjuna. Welcome to P Tutorials. In this session, we are going to discuss about internal implementation of ArrayList. For practical and coding explanation, please watch my previous videos. Let's start the session. ArrayList uses object array to store the elements. When we are creating a new ArrayList with empty constructor, 10 length array will be created like this. When we are passing some parameterized constructor while creating ArrayList object, based upon the number we passed here, the same length will be created. For example, if you take some 7, okay, 7 sized array will be created to store the elements. Coming to the next point, when we are adding the elements with the help of add method to the array list, first step what it will do is it will always checks whether capacity minus length of an array is greater than 0 or not. What is capacity here? Capacity is nothing but size plus 1. What is size here? Size is nothing but array list size. In array list class, size is declared as global variable. So by default, it is an int variable. By default, it is 0. So when we are adding first element 0 plus 1, it is 1 minus length of an array. So length of an array, if you assume we are passing in this example, we are declaring as empty constructor. So empty constructor means it is length 10. So 1 minus 10, it is minus 9. It means it is not greater than 0. Okay, then it will go to second step, and what simply it will do is it will add the elements to the object array here. Okay, if you see here object array, and increases the size. Okay, and it will returns to true. And when we are adding the second element, now we are adding the second element, and again it will come to the first step, and now size is 1. Okay, as because we are increasing size here, so size is 1. 1 plus 1 2. Okay, array length is now still 10, right? So 2 minus 10 minus 8 greater than 0. No, again no. So again it will come here, it will add the element, it will increase the size, and it will return true. So the same process will be repeat until the 10th element. Okay, when we are adding the 10th element, 10 plus 1 is 11, and the element length is 9, right? Sorry, 10, right? So 10, so 11 minus 10, it is 1, correct? So 1 is greater than 0, true. It means here is the here we are increasing the array. We know, right, collections in array list, like we are reading from so many days, like it will increases the size, automatically collections will grow. That is what the basic differences between arrays and collections, right? In C, this is how it will increases internally array of the, I mean size of the array list. So with the help of this formula, world capacity plus plus world capacity right shift operator, it will calculate the new capacity. And with the help of this formula, which one, arrays.copy method, it will copy all the old elements and into the new capacity. So assume with this formula, now the capacity is 15. It means it will accept the until 15 elements. Previously it was 10, now it will is 15. And once this first step is done, right, after increasing, again it will go to the second step, and it increases the size. As we discussed, right, initially it was, I mean it was 10, now until we are adding here, so it will add plus 1. So the size is 11. Okay, and size is 11, and add to the element to the, what is this, I mean array, and it will returns to true. Okay, so this is how add method will work internally in the array list. If interviewer asks you how array list works internally, means you can explain these steps. Okay, I am just consolidating this. Array list uses object array to store the elements. Okay, when we are creating new object, by default 10 length array will be created. If you are passing parameters, it will create based upon the parameter number. And coming to the next point, when we are calling add method, first step, it will checks capacity minus length of the array. So length is length is 10, as we are creating default constructor here. So size is 0. It is an predefined variable which is available in the array list class. So 1 minus, I mean 1 minus 10, it is minus 9. So it will not increase the size of an array, and it will add the elements. So the same repeat, the process will repeat until unless this condition satisfies. Okay, then it will increase the size of an array. How add method will work in the arrays, you can refer my practical explanation. There you can see like how what is how this size variable, how this capacity, how this object array is created, everything you can see. And you can get more details in that video. Okay, and we'll go for next method called add of index comma element method.